reject, turn down. To refuse an offer, request, invitation, or opportunity. He turned down the offer. She turned down the invitation. Accept. Go along with. To agree with someone's idea, plan, or decision, often even if you are not fully happy with it. She went along with the plan. He went along with the decision. Begin. Kick off. To start an event, meeting, or campaign officially. The event kicked off at noon. Let's kick off the meeting with a brief introduction. Finish. Wrap up. To finish or complete something such as a meeting, discussion, or event. Let's wrap up the meeting. She wrapped up the discussion. Start. Set off. To begin a journey or trip. We set off early in the morning. They set off for the airport. Delay. Put off. To postpone or delay an event, meeting, or plan. They put off the meeting. Let's put off the trip. Cancel. Call off. To cancel an event, meeting, or plan. They called off the match due to rain. The meeting was called off. Meet unexpectedly. Run into. To meet someone by chance without planning it. I ran into my teacher yesterday. She ran into an old friend at the market. Find by chance. Stumble upon. To find something unexpectedly or by accident. I stumbled upon a great book at the library. She stumbled upon an old photo in the drawer. Invent. Make up. To invent a story, excuse, or explanation. He made up an excuse for being late. She made up a story to avoid trouble. Arrive. Show up. To arrive somewhere, often unexpectedly or late. He showed up late. She showed up at the party. Wait. Hold on. To wait for a short time. Hold on a minute. Please hold on while I check. Understand. Figure out. To understand something or find a solution. I can't figure out this problem. She figured out the answer quickly. Examine. Go over. To review or check something carefully. Let's go over the report. She went over the details. Solve. Work out. To find a solution to a problem. Let's work out the problem together. She worked out the answer. Reduce. Cut down. To reduce the amount of something. You should cut down your expenses. You need to cut down on sugar. Tolerate. Put up with. To accept something unpleasant or annoying. I can't put up with this noise. She puts up with his behavior. Continue. Carry on. To keep doing something. Please carry on with your work. She carried on speaking. Discover. Find out. To learn or discover information. I found out the answer. She found out the truth. Investigate. Look into. To investigate or examine something carefully. We will look into the issue. The police are looking into the case. Collect. Pick up. To go somewhere to collect a person or thing. I will pick you up at 7. She picked up the package. Remove. Take off. To remove clothing or something from your body. Please take off your shoes. He took off his jacket. Begin liking. Warm up to. To gradually start liking someone or something. She warmed up to the new teacher. He warmed up to the idea.